This is the second video in our series introducing you to the AML Device Control Software. In this video, we will provide an overview of the control panel window. To help illustrate some of these features, our SMD4 is connected to a demonstration rotation stage. The control panel is located here in the center of the system work area. This can be used to make basic commands to your connected step motor drive. In the top left of the control panel, the color dot shows the status of the device. Green is nominal, but this will turn red if there is an error. The device name is at the top of the control panel. This can be customized from the property panel to your preference. This is especially useful for when you have multiple drives connected, or your drive relates to a specific axis in your system. The motor temperature is shown next to the device name, and finally, the device mode is shown. In this case, we are in normal mode. Here we have the actual velocity of the motor, which shows the motor's current speed. Below this, we have the actual position of the motor. This can be reset with this button here. Below this, the relative position is shown. This can also be reset. If an encoder is connected to your step motor drive, encoder information is displayed here. The right-hand side of the control panel displays basic motion controls. Here we can configure movements. For example, in the absolute position, we can enter a value and then press start, and the step motor will drive to that position. We can change this to 0 to get back to our home position. With the relative position, we can enter a value and then start the motor. In this case, the motor will move by the relative amount specified. Once again, we can use the absolute position to revert back to our 0 position. We also have the nudge feature, which is a quick way of accessing relative positioning. A value can be entered, and then the left and right nudge buttons can be used to drive the motor in that direction by the number of steps we have specified. Here we are using 15 steps. We can change this to our preference, such as 100 steps. And finally, if we have the absolute position selected, we can press start to bring our position back to its home.